Did you know that you can quickly and easily jumpstart your car with a battery charger? So if you're looking for a quick fix to get your car back on the road, here's how to jumpstart your car with a battery charger.
Oh, it's stuck. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is take it out of the box. This is the Schumacher 50 amp battery charger. So next you're going to want to run some extension cords out to the vehicle. So with the extension cord ran out to the vehicle, we can take the battery charger and bring it to the vehicle. Make sure you have a good spot where you can set it. In this case, this is a truck, so there's plenty of room. Okay, so with the battery charger in a good spot, we can go ahead and remove any terminal covers. And then you're going to want to make sure your battery terminals are clean. If you have dirty battery terminals, make sure to check out my video on how to clean the battery terminals. And then all you need to do here is take your black cable, your negative cable, and connect it to the negative battery terminal. And then your red cable, connect that to the positive battery terminal. And then all you're going to need to do is take it, plug it in. And then most battery chargers will default to charge and maintain.
So to jumpstart your vehicle, just simply press the gray button 2 more times and you have selected the start option. You can then get in the vehicle and attempt to start it. Make sure to read the instructions that are on screen now that came with the battery charger. And then all you need to do to disconnect your battery charger is unplug it. So unplug the battery charger. And then starting with the positive terminal, disconnect that first, and then the negative terminal. And that's it. Let me know in the comments below if you were able to start your car with your battery charger.